This 5-minute solution will show you how to easily connect your Spotify to Facebook. First of all, open a browser on your phone and open spotify.com. Now, you have to sign in to your Spotify account here. Once done, tap on the settings icon and tap on View Account. And then you will jump into your account page. Here, tap on Edit Profile. And here, you will get your Spotify account username. All you have to need just double tap on username to copy it. Once you copied your Spotify username, now go to your Facebook. Go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down. Here you will get Links section. Tap on Edit. Tap on Add Social Link. Tap on Platform. And here scroll down and search for Spotify. Select Spotify. In this username box, paste your Spotify username you just copied. Tap on Done. Tap on Save. Once it's saved, I'm going to reloading my profile. And now, let's tap on this Spotify username. And as you can see, I directly jump into my Spotify profile page. This is how we can easily connect Spotify to Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.